ka Wildlife Week, kadai ka way na kita yaw le kaman balapanlong kli usnam da ka Divisional Forest Officer West Giant Hills Wildlife Division Jowai, halor ka thong ban penbena kubor sya ki pajba syapang ka jingdan kam banyada, penne pensa ya ki mrad, kisim kido bat ki saudong saukun ka may maryang. Kumta ha uni usnamru ka Divisional Forest Officer West Giant Hills Wildlife Division Jowai kalapelong ya ka Wildlife Week halor kamat kerpang ka baong Partnership for Wildlife Conservation bat lapen kudru iaka hasnong dam tring ha ka sngi diang ha ka jingsakhi lang USM Sahai IFS Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Biodiversity and Wildlife Meghalaya Shillong bat upike Agrahari IFS Chief Conservator of Forest Wildlife Meghalaya Shillong ha ka jingdon lang ki khna school kinohikai bat ki wahe shnong ya ka jingalang lapanya dakakong en lalu Divisional Forest Officer West Giant Hills Wildlife Division Jowai barlayo ka jingkran syapang ka Wildlife Act nakakong M Suchiang Forest Leader Kijat Mrad Bala Abansyam Harilum Jantia Labatai Da Uba Eslau Range Forest Officer Umkyang Wildlife Range Clearat Kilat Yada Yaki Mrad Kisim Kido Bat Kisaudong Saukun Kami Maryang Bat Kerpang Kajing Batai Syapang Kijat Pukni Labatai Da U Dr. Aniket Pawar Assistant Center Manager Vulture Conservation and Breeding Center Assam Hakathong Ban Kring Ya Kaperkhat Perdan Jongki Khana School Ladan ru ki Jacob drawing extempo speech bat lapenlong haki arbenta kawai kedai kerpang ki khana school bahap hapo ka Demtring Center bat kawai pat iaki school bahap hapo ka Jowai Center. Kinong job ha ka Jacob drawing na kabenta ka Jowai Center kilang urimi o pasa Government Boys Higher Secondary School Jowai udasaki thma KGP Sinat Mingi Higher Secondary School Jowai bat kahakani Yakai Senraj Higher Secondary School Jowai kadba na kabenta ka Demtring Center kinong job kilong u Rikerlang Lamare Adventist Higher Secondary School Mukla u third lesson shooting Demtring Presbyterian Secondary School bat ka Imi Daimaya Kasar Sokmenting Secondary School Sokmenting Kinong job ha ka Jacob extempore speech na ka Jowai Center kilong kanibha pasa HK Singh Memorial Secondary School Jowai Kasera Gweni Langstang North Liberty High Secondary School Jowai bat ka Kerpa Mebari Mukhem KGP Sinat Mingi High Secondary School Jowai kadba jong ka Demtring Center kilong ka Balaihun Kendaj Sokmenting Secondary School u Wanshemborg So Adventist High Secondary School bat ka Premi Shooting Sokmenting Secondary School. Ka Divisional Forest Officer West Giant Hills Wildlife Division Jowai kum kadak ka jisngungu iaki kambakraw jong kinongsong snong karilum Jantia Kibalayada ne pelat yaki mrad kalak penkut burom kerpang yaki henrengut ki wahe snong Kibalaya Trailang bat ka Wildlife Division Jowai hakabanyada yaki pukni hakapor bakiwan haki snong ki thau jongki kita kilong uba elward ringklem wahe snong Demtring u hoping bang wahe snong yongno u kuduplan ringklem wahe snong wapung snong u diyo langki dekhar wahe snong wapung skur bat u kitbok rembai wahe snong kle tershi.
This year's theme for Wildlife Week is participation partnerships for wildlife conservation. This is very important. This gives trust for joining hands of different agencies, different stakeholders for this common goal of wildlife protection and conservation. In our state, it's even more relevant as most of the areas, most of the forest areas, we know that it's under ownership of the private and community ownerships, and it goes without saying that the conservation efforts of the department cannot be sufficient unless there is an active participation and active support from the communities, and which we have been having since long as a tradition. Through instruments, through such occasions and through instruments such as creation of community reserves under Wildlife Protection Acts, we tend to basically strengthen our collaboration and strengthen our relationships between each other. And this gives great impetus to the overall efforts for wildlife conservation. And we have been fortunate to have this support from our local people, local Rangbash norms. A very bright example which has been highlighted by my previous speakers was the recent visit of Himalayan griffon vulture in great number. For 2 to 3 months around that, they stayed here, and with the help of local people, our department was able to successfully manage their stay here, and that was really great. I will extend my heartfelt thanks to all the Ranvash here and local people for that kind support, and expect that such support will continue in all our future endeavors. Also, it is very important to transmit these values and these concerns about the wildlife conservation to our future generations also. In that context, it was very heartening to see such young minds here today, young students, boys and girls, who showed so much enthusiasm and took such active participation in all the activities organized by the Wildlife Division in connection with the Wildlife Week celebration. And I congratulate you for your participation, first of all, and further congratulations to all those who got the prizes also.
Berdekat keserta untuk penyiap petani mrad mreng, jadi jingtung jingkat, how on wildlife, ini jingin UN sebelum tak ada mrad, ini jingtung jingkat, bukan sebelum UN sebelum. Berdekat keserta untuk delek petani itu, ini tidak ini keadaan, you tak rekam, you kena besar kamarian. Moi kimrat di mreng ku em hok lo. Inte house nem hat ni spanya ho ar. De chna ika ni ka. Ko kurki ko Wildlife Protection Act. Yang ba kan ka darbar thau ai yang dari India. Terakam ka British nchar yang dari India kenal bida penyuruti go kerpang ai dinong senong ro. Untuk ro ko sarkar ngre ro. Guru em for India, who yelek internet besar di Meriang, dia pendek, dia peneliti, dia yelek YouTube identitas, kam tamek, who yada di Mreng tu em kok lo, umhor usia patah, umhor punya patah ini, yang nak usah kenal ekosistem, ni kecing long yang kemudian nak usah kok kamu cuba.
Once this bird was on in 4 crore population in India. Today it's listed as a scheduled 1 species, which is like on equal level of tiger. But during the 80s, it was on same level of crow. Do you understand? It was that common. It has a little bit of cultural significance in different cultures. As you know, India is a home to different cultures, not just one. So I will ask you guys, have you seen the picture on the left?
Becoming unfertile. If we use more chemicals, helping us to keep the soil fertile and even like helping us in proper growth of the vegetable or cultivation that we do. So in Meghalaya, most of us we derive our waters from the streams, which originate where? In the forest, right? And like if we save the forest, we will get food, we will get water, even oxygen, which is like the basic unit of life.